Good morning. I just got back from a beautiful morning bike ride. It's a nice sunrise, and like the clouds were just right to catch the sunlight, and it was really nice. And oh, yeah, it was really nice. And today I was going to talk about unity and that like all the people of Earth um, have a lot more in common than what they have in common is greater than their differences. So I just think that people let like these small differences create these wedges between between different groups and different peoples, and uh, it's just not helpful or necessary in most cases, probably. Uh, guess that's why I don't like watching the news, because they're always trying to make people divided, it seems like. I mean, not always, but sometimes. But one thing we were united on, I think, the other day was watching that moon launch. That was really great. Really enjoyed that. Uh, yeah, it's incredible. I mean, that rocket was so big, and the way it accelerated into the sky, it was amazing. And I think generally when they have like the solid fuel boosters on it, they they accelerate off the pad a lot faster than like the SpaceX rockets that are using like maybe some kind of methalox or something, I think they call it. I'm not totally sure, but it's definitely different. Uh, both are very neat and amazing. Uh, but yeah, it was one of the greatest launches I've seen since they launched the Webb Space Telescope, maybe. But also, some of the starships rank, way up there too. Some of those starship launches were amazing. And when they do the the super heavy Falcons and they land both the rockets at the same time, that's really cool. But anyway, yeah, just um, try to not let little differences get in the way of loving each other, you know? But if you're going all in with somebody, you're gonna have to make sure that you you have the important things are on the same page, you know. But just as far as getting along with people, you should be able to do that. But getting along's different than going along, you know. You still have to, you know, you'd be doing yourself a disservice if you weren't being yourself, you know. And and yeah, that bothers people sometimes, you know. But hopefully it'll it'll work out. Oh, well, uh, let's see. Unity. Yeah. Um, well, I guess that's all I've got for today. I hope you have a great day. It's Friday, I think. Yeah, it is Friday, and it is beautiful out. Um, remember, Jesus loves you.